Hi, I'm Anya from Ocarina Workshop. In this video I will teach you how to play New World composed by Dvořák. Firstly, let's listen to it being played through. If you keep the ocarina away from your mouth, you can follow the charts with your fingers. So now it's your turn to play it. I'll take you through step by step. The first part has a tricky rhythm. Join in clapping the rhythm with me when you feel ready to. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 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 Here are the two notes used at the start. Let's play them. Do you remember the rhythm that you were clapping? We can put these two notes to that rhythm. Join in. Great! Now let's try the next part. Again, join in clapping this new rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the notes, switch the fingers that you put down on your right hand. Join in. So, for this section, here are all of the notes. Let's play this with the rhythm. Now we can practice everything that we've learnt so far together. Ready? Now the next part. When When you can, join in clapping the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play these notes on each beat. And now with the correct rhythm. Now we can play everything that you've learnt so far. For this next part, you'll notice that it's the same as at the start. Let's play it. Now this part is slightly different. Have a listen first. Let's give it a go. Okay, so let's play this second section through twice. Great, so now let's run through everything that you've learnt so far together. Great. Now for the final part. This is the rhythm. And these are the 2 notes. Because these are high notes, you'll need to blow strongly but not too hard. Let's play these 2 notes. And now with the rhythm. This is the next rhythm. These are 2 of the notes. Try playing them. Now with the right rhythm and the 3rd note. We can play the last 2 parts together. Have a listen to the final part. Now try playing it. Great! Now let's put this final section together and play it through twice like in the piece. You definitely sound ready to play New World all the way through. Are you ready? well done. Bye.